So this is me trying out wan2.2 animate. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this video, this AI character swap. So first you go to wan2.2, right, and then you sign up. Come to this bar that you see at the bottom, click video, select the avatar, choose this option. Instead of speech to video, choose character swap. Then you will now add the video that you want. So I'm going to upload a video from my device. I'm going to open it, and then I choose the character that I want to swap it with, and I'm going to my downloads, and I'm just going to pick the character that I want to swap it with in the video. So choose Chadwick, click confirm, and then after your video has been uploaded, I don't have credits right now, but then you need to have your credits, and then once you do that, you confirm. So if you don't have credits, I think you can still be able to get it for free. Like, it will just queue your your video, and then it will take a lot longer for it to like generate. But if you want it fast, you just buy your credits, and then you can be able to use it immediately. Anyway, so this is how so when the video is generated, you can download it. This is one of the ones that I did. So when the video is generated, you download it, and then I just took it to CapCut. I made like different shots, different shots of the video, where I have like so I have the video and then the generated video, and then just added the image. That was it. Then I just stitched it up together, stitched up the different versions that I did, and that's just it. Really simple.